You think you're a better technician than me? The countless hours, the countless sleepless nights of soldering 10, 15 hours a day. You think because you can replace an HDMI that you're the PS5 master? No, I'm number one. But if you're the PS5 master, how are you the PS5 master? How? One. Got one. One for you. Two. Two for you. Okay? Oh, but that's only two. Oh yeah? Oh yeah? What now? What now? What now? I'm the PS5 Repair Master. Get it through your brain. I am number one. Numero uno.